So this is the Sherry. That was a fake wave back there. We're on our way to the Mitt Studios, M-I-T-T. This is lantern making day. Right, honey?
Right, honey.
There we go. Okay, so we're in the studio. See the two of us? And I'm going to turn the camera around in just a second so you can see the parts and pieces. And I guess before things start, she's going to give some history of the thing, so we'll include that little video in there as well. So just hang on. Okay, so here we go. This is the blanks have already been built for us, and then over there is the paper that we'll be utilizing, and so and there's our tasting beverage, cold soda water. So yeah, here's all the parts and pieces, and we'll show you more as we go along.
Yeah, I'm worried about myself. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, do you guys know about the Peng festival? Do you know about the Peng? Yeah, Peng is a separate out of the Locaton festival. Do you guys know Locaton festival? Yeah, it's happen on Monday. Yeah, but Peng and Locaton is the same day to happen. Yeah, but today we're gonna do lantern for Peng festival. Yeah, Yi is mean to. Yeah, and Peng is the full moon. Yeah, yeah, it means the full moon on the 2 months of the northern. Yeah, it's a Lana culture. Yeah, but this calendar is depend on the moon. Yeah, it's a lunar calendar. Yeah, the Peng is to do some the lantern or the floating the lantern onto the sky. Yeah, and this one is the synonym is for the past the darkness. It means the rainy season to the rainy season is the winter. Yeah, we're gonna do some the colorful lantern to hang to decorate your house. Yeah, yeah, and today we're gonna do the lantern. Yeah, for the light gaton. Yeah, we're gonna float the gaton to pray to the Peng Hong Ha. Yeah. Yeah, it's a tape to the river. Yeah, to protect the river, and then we're gonna pray to her. Yeah, yeah. But nowadays the people to floating the gaton is pray for yourself. Yeah, to be a good year or something. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna.
Oh, look at there. Sherry's got her wide strips and her narrow strips cut. Look how confident she is. That's the look of confidence. Yeah.
Did this not put a pencil mark? And then cut
She hasn't done the wide ones? I got my wide and my narrows done. Tracy's busy cutting hers.